Amazon products you need, part 81. This is probably one of the easiest video doorbells you'll ever install. It's wireless and lets you do custom ringtones, connects to Wi-Fi and has 2K resolution, high contrast night vision with time-coded event playback, motion and human detection with an alarm to scare off bad guys, two-way audio, recharges via USB-C and can last for 180 days on a single charge, and it even comes with a base station that has 32 gigabytes of local storage for recording with no monthly fee and boosts the Wi-Fi signal.